Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. Today I got my '05 Honda Odyssey here and I'm going to show you how to replace the low beam headlamp bulb in it. I'm going to be working on the driver's side, however this is similar to the passenger side. Now you got two main bulbs in your headlamp assembly. You got your low beam, which is right there, and your high beam. We're going to be replacing this one, and you can access it right through this little opening right here. And that's where you can do it, but I'm going to go around this way and do it so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, release the connector by pressing down on this tang here and pull down on the connector. Another hand might help to push down on it. Pull it off the bulb, grab the bulb, turn it counterclockwise, pull the bulb out, and the installation is reverse procedure. Don't touch the bulb with your hands, you'll get oil on it and the bulb will burn out. Put it back into the headlamp assembly, twist the bulb clockwise until it clicks into place, reconnect your connector, and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please read the entire description below before you attempt this. Thank you.